Happy Monday, my YouTube friends and family, and welcome back, or if you're new here, welcome. This is Lindsay, and I'm back with more daily work from home job leads for you. Now, I know there's quite a few of you that are looking for part-time remote work from home jobs, things that you can either work like in the evening shifts, after you've worked like a full-time job or had other daytime responsibilities. You're looking for part-time that's not that traditional 8 to 5. So I have two part-time jobs to share with you in today's video. One, it has an evening shift option, or if you're also looking for day shift, they have multiple options available. And they are hiring someone to basically verify information. They are paying like $19 an hour for someone to do some research and verify information. I have another part-time job that is handling like social media type stuff. They're paying very well, and it says they have flexible work hours and options as well. And of course, for those of you who are actually looking for full-time day shift type remote work from home jobs, I have a couple of those for you as well. The Home Depot is hiring. We have like accounts receivable, things like that. So we are going to dive all in. As always, if you need links to get to the jobs, Glassdoor pages, or timestamps for the video, that can all be found in the YouTube description box below the video. First up, we have the Home Depot hiring. They have 54,000 reviews from past and current employees on Glassdoor with an overall employee satisfaction rating of 3.8 out of 5 stars. They are looking for a product support technician. Now, of course, this is remote work from home, and this job pay is a big range. It says anywhere from $35,000 a year up to $120,000 a year. So I'm not sure if that includes some kind of like bonus commission program, and that's why there's such a large gap. But if you click over to the job description, Home Depot is looking for somebody to handle support calls for their products, making sure that you just do problem solving and resolution. So you are going to address and prioritize incoming help requests that come in through phone, online tickets, and the remote support in a courteous manner. You're monitoring systems for updates for common known problems, actively listening and building rapport, and trying to just problem solve those customers' issues with their products that they've bought from Home Depot. So maybe you'll help perform software installations over the phone or whatever for customers. You might have to troubleshoot some kind of a tech issue or aid in helping them, tell them how to apply diagnostic steps and taking the steps to maybe solve something. So you're going to document, review all quality control standards in the system, making sure everything is met, and you're testing any fixes before closing those tickets. A lot of products now come with all kinds of tech stuff, even like refrigerators that the Home Depot sells, like Samsung refrigerators. They're software based, they're tech support. A lot of them have like those digital screens and stuff. So you are just basically a product support, a tech person, just helping solve any issues. Now, they don't require any kind of college degree for this position, just somebody who is 18 years or older and can work in the United States, somebody who has 0 to 1 years of relevant work experience, so somebody maybe who has some customer service experience. They would prefer somebody who has experience with like CRM ticketing systems or remote monitoring management, but if not, at least you need to be able to work a computer, navigate around multiple software systems, including like those Microsoft Office systems, be a problem solver, and somebody who knows how to manage like software, things like that. Next up, we have the company Wex hiring. Now, Wex has 1,100 reviews with an overall rating of 3.6 out of 5 stars. They are looking for somebody to handle their accounts receivable or an accounts receivable specialist. This is remote for the United States, but they are looking for somebody to work Monday through Friday, 10 a.m. to 7 p.m. Eastern time. So kind of that midday shift, but they're just basically looking for somebody to verify posting routines and complex payments in the system, verifying they're received from customers in a timely manner, making sure that those payments that are received are applied correctly in the system to the customer's account based on all of your operating procedures. So you're basically processing all types of payments, including ACH, like wire transfers and different things from banks, lockbox activity. So you'll work closely with the collections department and the customer service department, just making sure that customers' postings or misapplied payments get resolved. So if a customer calls into the customer service and they say, I made this payment and it's not showing on my account, you'll help research that and get that missing payment applied and work kind of with the customer service team, letting the customer know. So in posting these payments, you might also have to do write-offs or refunds in the system as well. Now, all they require is a high school diploma or GED and at least 1 year of some kind of accounts payable or accounts receivable experience. Other than that, somebody who is just deadline-driven, detail-oriented. Pay is anywhere from $18 an hour up to $23 an hour. If you're looking for a higher paying job though, Bonusly is hiring. Now Bonusly only has 71 reviews from past and current employees. They have a 3.0 out of 5-star rating. They are looking for a full-time remote customer adoption specialist. So Bonusly offers like software as a service, software as a solution, like online type platform. And so they are really looking for somebody to help new customers that are coming on board their platform and their software really get that implemented into their business practices or whatever very smoothly. So they are looking for somebody to act as that hands-on consultant that helps onboard or guide their largest customers from the time that they sign their contract to when they are fully functional through operational setup and launch. So you are really helping these customers or these companies get set up, get everything flowing. So you're informing them of process optimizations. You're making sure that they have any tech solutions that they need. If they need tech support, you're helping them with that. Of course, with this comes you're going to document and maintain a library of different processes, templates, procedures, so that you can use them over and over again with different customers. Knowledge-based articles, things like that. You are just partnering with customers, accelerating and making sure that they have a successful business launch. So basically, any help they need getting set up, that is what you're doing. They don't require any kind of college degree. They're just looking for somebody who has 2 years of experience implementing solutions for customers or has a passion for helping people work better, working in an environment where you learn fast, grow, challenge. You don't mind taking on a challenge. Somebody who has great communication skills and you enjoy creative writing or customer training, basically. Pay for this one is very good though. They pay anywhere from $70,000 a year up to $85,000 a year. And the last two jobs I have are going to be part-time jobs, starting with Truework. Now, Truework has 92 reviews on Glassdoor from past and current employees. That overall employee satisfaction rating is 3.0 out of 5 stars. They are looking for a part-time operations specialist. This is US based. And of course, even though they're looking for a part-time position, they are looking for somebody to work Monday through Friday, but they have flexible shift options. They're either looking for somebody to work the morning shift that kind of starts at 6 a.m. Pacific Standard Time and goes 5 to 6 hours, or their afternoon evening shift starts at 5 p.m. Pacific Standard Time and goes for 5 to 6 hours. Now, if you're outside of that time zone, convert your hours to see if that works for you, because 5 p.m. PST should be about 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So if you're looking for a job, to work those overnight hours, depending on what time zone you're in, this might either be like evening or kind of a night shift for you. So they're looking for somebody just to work about 30 hours a week, and you're going to be reviewing and verifying information with their incoming verification, making sure everything is accurate and complete in the system. So you're going to be doing some research with this, completing reports or routing verifications to the appropriate team through those automated processes. Now, when you're researching and verifying all of this information, if you come across any issues, you're going to bring those up to your supervisor. So you are going to have to apply like problem-solving skills to complete verifications within your target time frame. So if there's missing information, you're going to have to come up with a way to collect that information and get that verification in the system completed in a timely manner. So you're really just going to be managing and prioritizing a pipeline of inbound verification requests, and you're going to be working those based on volume, workload, following up on all uncompleted verifications, just making sure that anything gets done on time. So these verifications are going to be either like income verifications, employment verifications. So this is not going to be a complete non-phone job. You will have to take inbound and make outbound phone calls, leave voicemails, waiting for callbacks, manage email, just any way that you can reach out to people and collect that missing information. Now, as far as what they're looking for, no college degree is needed for this one. Just somebody who's self-motivated, can be highly organized, be a multitasker, somebody who can be that problem solver. Of course, you've got to have great critical thinking skills, great communication skills. Pay for this one is anywhere from $17 an hour up to $19 an hour. And last but not least, we have ClassDoJo hiring. Now, ClassDoJo may only have 35 reviews on Glassdoor, but I do know they are a legit company. They have an app that schools can use to communicate with parents and students about deadlines for homework and assignments, upcoming things. Teachers can even share like pictures of what they've been doing, activities they've been doing in the classroom. I know this personally. My kids' school used to use ClassDoJo. Their teachers used to communicate with me in ClassDoJo app. They do have a 4.6 out of 5-star employee satisfaction rating. They are looking for a part-time social media operations lead. Now, this is going to be like a 1099 contract position, but they are looking for somebody to monitor, organize, and track their user-generated content mentions across multiple social media platforms. So if ClassDoJo is mentioned on some other social media platform, they want to make sure that they track that, know who is mentioning them, who is talking about them on social media, and make sure that it's mainly, positive. They don't want a whole lot of negative out there. But if somebody is posting that they're having a negative experience, that would be a great feedback for the company to fix something in their app. So you're really going to lead creator outreach for like collaborations of influencers. So you'll have to draft a lot of communications like emails and things, coordinate those deliverables and maintain those relationships with those influencers, manage paid influencer campaigns, things like that. You're developing and implementing workflows for the efficiency of the social media operations. So you are not creating social media content, but you're managing all of the content that is going to be created by these influencers or other people. So you're also going to have to create the documentation for the processes that these creator databases or influencers will use. So they're looking for somebody who does have experience in some kind of social media management, even though you don't have to have any kind of college degree. You have to be highly organized, very analytical, great communication skills. You do have to be chronically online, no kind of like trends that are on TikTok, YouTube, things like that. But they do say they offer flexible work hours, so it doesn't exactly say what hours you'll work, so it kind of sounds like you can almost work when you want to. And all the way down at the bottom, hourly rate for this is anywhere from $45 an hour up to $75 an hour. If you've made it to the end, thank you so much for watching and supporting me. I hope you all have a fabulous day, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.